Okay, so we have something fastest way on how to solve the bus bar voltage of the generator. Two identical shunt generator E and B are connected in parallel to supply a total load current of 1000 ampere. Each machine has a field resistances of 80 ohms and armature resistance of 0.02 ohms. The induced EMF of generators E and B are 250 and 240 volt respectively. Find the bus bar voltage. Okay, so if we encounter this type of problem, considering this is a shunt generator, and then tapos yung given niya, mayroong mga resistances, therefore you can quickly or directly use the Millman theorem when finding the bus bar voltage in these two type of generator. Okay, so have we remember the Millman's theorem way back in the circuits 1, which is the summation of EMF over the summation of the conductance. And then hindi kailangan natin mag-worry kung paano hanapin yung conductance. Why? Simply because the conductance is 1 over R lang naman. And then we already have the resistances or the R na are given. So therefore, we can plug it directly. This given in our formula. So how? Okay, so the summation of the MF, which is the 250 over 0.02 plus 240 over 0.02 over 1 over 0.02 plus 1 over 80 plus 1 over 80 ulit. Balik-balik to dahil dalawang generator to. Tapos 0.02 ulit plus the total current, which is 1000 over the BT or the B-bus. It's because B-bus yung hinahanap natin or the bus bar voltage. Now, plug lang lahat natin yan sa calc natin, sa scientific calculator natin. And then we will arrive to the answer of 235 volts. This is our final answer. Okay, so the bus bar voltage equals 235. Okay, so before we use this Millman's theorem, we need to consider first is the type of generator. Okay, so kasi the Millman theorem, remember guys, the Millman theorem is applicable only all types of generator except the short shunt. Okay, so again, Millman theorem is applicable all types of generator except the short shunt. Tandaan natin yan. Okay, so thank you.